Yo, good day guys. Today I'm going to share to you the battery management that I am doing with my GoPro Hero 9. I have this GoPro Hero 9 for a year now, and as most of you know, GoPro comes with one battery. So yeah, I'm a daily blogger, and having one battery is not enough for my daily blog because usually one battery can record yeah, it depends on your setting, but for me it's 1 hour for one fully charged battery. Yeah, so one battery is not enough. That is why I have extra battery, and I have this Telesin battery charger. I bought it together with two extra Telesin battery, and you can actually charge three battery all at the same time together in here. And I also charge it with the Telesin battery and original GoPro battery. At the moment, I have two original GoPro battery. Yeah, the other Telesin battery is inside the camera, and yeah, two battery actually of Telesin I have, but one of those was stolen together with one of my previous GoPro Hero 9. Yeah, so now I have three battery, one Telesin and two original GoPro battery. And the good thing about this is this one is very small. Yeah, I always put this in my backpack wherever I go so that I won't run out of battery. I can always record. Yeah, and the good thing about this is that when you charge it, when you put it in the plug, it will show you this indicator that it is charging. Also, it shows how much battery is already in the battery, how much power is already in the battery. When it is red, it's just loading. Medium, it means that medium fully charged. And when it is green, it means fully charged and it's ready to use. Yeah, it is really nice. Yeah, really nice. Thank you.